Hi everyone, welcome to Education SolidWorks. Today we are going to draw SolidWorks CADCam practice 52, which is weight hook. So on the right hand side we can see the detail drawing for the weight hook over here. So it's a very simple object to draw using SolidWorks because we are going to separate into a few features. First one is the cylindrical and the second one is the hook. Either you are going to draw this first or this first, it depends on you. Because the cylindrical will be the easier part to draw, but the hook, it will use the swept feature where it needs the part to recreate the cylindrical using the part. So we will start with maybe the hook first. Okay, we're going to start with the hook first. For that I'm going to choose right plane, new sketch. I'm going to use the origin as the center. So now I'm going to use the center line. Click on the center of origin like this, and then it's going to curve like this. Okay, the second curve will follow the path like this. Alright, so it's automatically will create the hook over here, and make sure the center line and the center of origin is vertical. Alright, so we are going to give dimension for it. Okay, the length of the center of the circle from the bottom is 25, and the radius for it is 50. Okay, the radius of this point is 5. The angle between the line from here, so we are going to create the center line. So we are going to create the center line first from here to here, and then we are going to give the dimension of this point and the center line. Maybe we need to create another one more center line, center to here, and then we are going to give the dimension, which is 50. So now you can see that our sketch is fully defined. Okay, we are going to exit sketch, and we can see that the diameter of the hook is 8. Okay, so I'm going to select the top plane, edit sketch. So from the origin, I'm going to create the circle with the diameter of 8. Okay, exit. Now using the sketch, we are going to use the picture swipe. Okay, click on the sketch circle, and the path is, I'm going to click on this. Okay, I'm going to select first one. Maybe I'm going to make the sketch. Okay, I'm not going to make it as a center line, I'm going to make it as a construction. I'm going to make it as a normal line. Because sometimes when we use the swept boss, we cannot use the center line features to create the object. So now I'm going to try the swept boss, and then the yes. Now you can see that when we click on the sketch, it automatically creates the hook exactly like the detail drawing, like this. So I'm going to click OK. Okay, now you can see that we already created the hook over here. Now we are going to create the cylindrical part. But here you can see bottom there we have the part where there's a hole over the bottom. So for that, maybe we can use straightly, we can create and drill the hole, or we are going to use, okay, we are going to use the Revolve features to create this. And then I'm going to use right plane. Okay. So we are going to add the cylinder at the bottom of here. Just create a center line, goes down, and I'm going to draw the cylinder. This here can go like this, and like this. Yes. So we will get something like this. Okay. Now I'm going to add the dimension. The height is 60, and the diameter of this is 40. The total diameter is 70. And the line center diameter is 6. The height of this plane is 6, and this one is 10. Okay, we can see that our sketch is fully defined, and then don't forget they already fillet with radius 2 over here. Maybe you can do the fillet here now, or you can see that we need to do fillet at the outside over here. So maybe we can add the fillet feature after we create the cylinder. So for now I'm going to exit sketch. I'm going to use the Revolve face. It's automatically will create like this. Okay, let's see. Okay. So you will get the design something like this. Now we are going to see cut through the section view. Yes. Okay. Now, going to see the section. Okay, the section view something like this. And the section view is on the opposite side. Okay, now the section view like this, which is exactly as like the detail drawing over here. And then we have the hole below here. So this is the way how we approach. Using the two simple features, we already created one design. If you create the cylinder first and then you cut, then time will be taken to create the drawing. So if you are rushing on time, then you can approach this design how simple as it is, then you can easily finish it as fast as you want. Alright, so finally we are going to give the features like fillet with the radius of 2. So I'm going to select the fillet feature over here, and then I'm going to give the fillet parameter is 2, and you just select the edges that you need to fillet. Okay. So let's take a look over it. Alright, so we can see that our sketch is almost same as the detail drawing. And yeah, we finish our practice 52, which is the bait hook, using 3 simple ways. And that's all from me for today. See you on the next video. Thank you.